Everyone, today let's explain now what is routing and how it works. So let's launching the development server. We saw a artisan command for this. This command is php artisan serve. If you are feel lost in this command, you can just type in php artisan and enter. After that, as we can see in the previous lecture, you can see all the giving command. So serve this one. Okay, that's clear. And do php's artisan serve. So let's open the development server. This is our project. This is the index page of our project. This is the home page. So today we will talking about routing. It is a very important topic. So what is exactly routing and how it works in Laravel? This is we're gonna explain with this diagram. First of all, the user will just type in his browser. He's open his browser and type in, for example, slash the URL slash post, for example, slash I want to see the post number 1, for example, as you can see here. After that, this URL is passed to the router. The router catch this URL, is delegate to router. After that, the router component will check if this URL is matching some routes in our file web.php. This one we saw before, web.php. It is inside the folder routes. As you can see here, in previous lecture we create a route. We have, for now, we have 2 routes for web route, and here for API we have 1 route. We will see this in coming lecture, but the difference between the API routes and web routes is that the API routes is stateless, and we don't have here to store any information or cookies inside our server. But here with this web route, we have it have to be state. So we have to, for example, to register cookies inside my server to remember all my requests. So if you want to check all your routes, we saw a previous artisan command for this. Let's open a second terminal. So here we can check the list of the route by php artisan. Route list. So we have 1 for API and we have 2 for the web route. So let's clear. Okay, it's clear this point. So the router component will match. If here we check this URL, it's matching any route for here. So in our case we have post.1. It have to be, for example, post like this. Post/1. So show the first post. So we add this one. Okay, for here after that, if this one is match, it pass this request to the controller. After that, the controller, we will see the controller in much detail in coming lecture, but for brief explain this one, the controller is a piece of code that handle all our requests, and after that the main his main role is to generate a response for us. This is the main role of a controller, is handle our request and generate a response. Okay, so after that he generate a response and send back to, if it is web response, it generate all the HTML to the web and show it in our web page. So this is the theory of how it works, the routes. So I hope this help you, and thank you for watching. Please, if you like my tutorial, support by like or subscribe to my channel, and thank you.